Good morning to madam. The company that we choose is Startek, and my name is Shushmita Anamale, and my metric ID is PC 20102, and my group members are Shankar PC 21018 and Sharmila PC 20014. Startek is a worldwide leader in the delivery of innovation outsourcing of process services. It simplifies the difficulty of the customer journey and assists clients in establishing and maintaining emotional relationship with the business. Now we take a look at vision and mission of the StarTech. Vision. The first vision is best-in-class performance. The second vision is client-centric focus, purpose-driven and tech-enabled and collaborative culture, industry-leading technologies. For the mission, be the employer of choice in every market, be the top of outsourcing partner to every client, and drive long-term shareholder values. There are two categories in Startek. The first category is about transportation, and the second category is about the food grab. For now, we took a look on the transportation side. Issues in Startek. Startek uses three main software which are Zendex, Xcali, and Ponix. There are many issues arising in Startek by having these three softwares by customers and also employees. So now we have a look on issues that arise from each software. The first software is Zendex. Zendex is a customer service management tool on a single platform. Zendex helps to facilitate client engagement, but it also has drawbacks. Startek uses Zendex to update the ticket for the Grab drivers. So, when Zendex faces a problem or hang, Startek won't able to update and validate the tickets with the Grab drivers. As a result, Startek unable to satisfy the demands and needs of the drivers and also the customers. Not only that, with when the software become down or hang, Startek won't able to get any information from the drivers, even if the call are answered. So the employee is not able to do it. So these are the issues faces by the Startek company by using Zendex software. The second software that used by Startek is Xcali. Xcali is a software that handled voice, chat, SMS, email, fax, and other channels. The main features of this software is contact administration and auto dialer, chat booth, response IVR, real-time tracking, statistic, and reporting. Startek uses this software to link clients' call to the Grab drivers. Uh, when this system became down, the Grab drivers and staff were unable to answer the calls from the customers. Not only that, the workers also not able to update their data and progress, including meetings, break periods, and other events in the software. So the lower management unable to get the information from the top management, and it poses a difficulty to them to continue their work. The third software is Pronix. Pronix is a software that used to complete history of quotations, conference calls, and also to accomplish their works. Startek used this software to store the data and profile of the drivers. The issues that faced by using this software is when Pronix become down or hang, the world company won't be able to use this software because the software connect to the world level of the startup company, so it becomes challenging to access the driver's profile by the employees. Besides that, the several employees complain that the application won't load or properly when they need to use it, so it makes the employees become stressed. So These are the main software they used by the Startek company. They also faces a lot of issues by using these softwares. That's all for me. I pass to next presenter.
So the replacement for Zendex is Zoho. Why we choose Zoho is because the first reason is sales, marketing, and customer support activities can be found in a place, streamlines the procedures, policies, and workforce into a single platform. And the last one is assist in updating the data in associated with CRM modules or third-party apps. So the next one is the replacement for Phoenix, which is Salesforce and Sales Cloud. Why we choose these two software? Because the first one is personalization of sales processes, increase opportunities, accurate forecasting, boost productivity, drives steady growth, streamlines business processes, and the last one is shortens the sales cycle. Okay, the replacement for Xcali is Oracle. Why we choose Oracle is because it reduces the operation cost, uses a single database for all type of data, provides a secure hybrid cloud environment, offers better identity management and user control, execute quick backup and recovery, and the last one is offers multiple database support.
Salam and good day to Madam Suhaida. My name is Shankar Gunasegaran, Metric IDPC 21018. Okay, today I want to present about the expected outcome based on the solution and the recommendation as we mentioned before. First, we present about the system called Zoho software to replace the Zendex software. Zoho software is one of the complete, they have the reporting options. Secondly, we mentioned the software recommended to replace the Phoenix software is the Salesforce software. As we know, they also have the complete configuration customer support solution. And lastly, we present about the technological purpose analysis to replace the Xcali software, which is the Oracle service. We know that they enable users to quickly obtain the information and queries and necessary interact with the actual people. First, for the most, the software Zoho is committed to giving the customer and the support staff an excellent experience to interact with the other components of their IT stack. Zoho also offer a broad range of connection. Their teams are management tools available, such as the time monitoring for the bigger teams. They even provide the self-service AI choices. Of all the NCRM, Zoho has one of the complete reporting option. Numerous pre-made reports such as sales, desk, and the projects may be set up with the display in a variety of the perspective, such as the charts, the table, of course. The comment section by whereby they discuss all the reports are in a good addition. By having the function based on this, now the software has more the impact than the Zendex software, whereby the company says the Zendex software results in sometimes not able to be communicate with their customer service, and the customer not being able to communicate with their company or the driver. So now the outcome will be more specific than giving a solution for them. The second software is a complete configuration customer support as a solution is also additionally included in aids of the management, of course, and the marketing initiative. Now can be established in the connection between the marketing team and the company sales management, of course, and the company account management departments, so that the entire organization can be communicate with the customer in a manner to avoid for the confusing and alerting them. In addition to management contact and perspective, Salesforce also provide the unique report and the automatic market efforts. By this, the Startek company now will be a very good optional in the marketing segment to boost their business across the world. Next, the effects of the Salesforce is the access of all the information needed is made with obvious, quick, and easy to interpret. So communication for the consumer, of course, for the agent and the merchandise. The result will be the client get more seamless, customized experience, of course, at the every turn. This Salesforce technology gives them a better way to customer and the company to collaborate themselves in a better way. Thirdly, the software called Oracle Service, the most effect and the outcome that include the Oracle Service can be enable the users to quickly obtain the information, of course, and answer to their queries and the information, of course, for the interact and the actual people. Can assist in tying together data for the supply chain, the finance, marketing, and the sales force, sales sector. without having to interact with the firm and the many touch point. Customer obtain more individually compromises service experience, of course, as well as a quick problem fixer with the service that we mentioned to help them to deal with the lack of the software before on behalf of the company. First, for the most, the software Zoho is committed to giving the customer and the support staff an excellent experience to interact with the other components of their IT stack. Zoho also offer a broad range of connection. Their teams are management tools available, such as the time monitoring. For the conclusion, based on the company and the summary of the Startek company, we have been able to know that they have the problem that the company have faced, which is to call the software that Zendesk, Phoenix, and Xcali bring something shortcoming, such as sometimes they are difficult to communicate with the second party. It is difficult to use the software for the customer and for the employees as well. With this, we have presented some of the solutions for them in the right way to overcome the problem as above. The solution that we are recommended are some other good software for them to overcome the issue. The software are the Zoho software, Salesforce, and Oracle. In addition, from this, we can understand that the customer relationship management in CRM give a system for the business, of course, the ability to match their strategy with the client demand to better address those needs, and from these results they secure the long-term customer loyalty. However, for the objective to accomplish this is necessary for the various corporate division to collaborate and utilize coordination action. And CRM software is used to evaluate and update customer database to accomplish this goal, and it's very important to the every company to need to be successful in the respective fields, of course. Companies that operate a fiercely competitive marketplace where it is challenging to draw a new. For the conclusion, based on the company and the summary of the Startek company, we have been able to know that they have the problem that the company have faced